Houses smashed to pieces, cars tossed off bridges, roofs and furniture lodged in trees. People in Malaysia Rian liken it to the aftermath of a tsunami. Hills encircle the village, which gave the floodwaters nowhere to escape to and concentrated their destructive power. Villagers took refuge on the third story of a school, but very little aid reached them till the past couple of days.
Berah macam bomba hari berah tu, orang 1,000 orang dia mari 2 kapit ya. Bomba dengan penduduk tu dia tak tahu seramai mana. Jadi mana orang 1,000 orang, dia mari berah sikit. Jadi pakak berebut rogan-rogan muka orang lapar belaka.
Aid was also slow to get to the town of Kuala Krai, where water up to 3 meters high swamped homes and shops and collapsed roads and bridges.
Kawan-kawan kita yang sudah pun selamat, sudah pun pindahkan ahli keluarganya ke tempat selamat dan mereka bantu ahli jiran tetangga dan lain-lain lagi ataupun warga yang masih lagi terperangkap. Belum ada bantuan daripada luar.
Townspeople here are used to minor floods, but nothing close to this scale. Malaysia's government has pledged $150 million in aid, and tons of donated goods are also pouring into the state and starting to reach the hardest hit areas. Remarkably, just 5 people in Kelantan state have lost their lives in what has been the worst flooding in living memory here. As people begin to return to their homes and see the true scale of the destruction, they're hopeful but not certain that the worst is over. Rian Maelzer, CCTV, Malaysia Rian, Kelantan, Malaysia.